FOSHAN Chingu Company Limited is majored in silicone sealant, RTV, PU foam, polyurethane sealants, functional sealants, etc. Also, we provide window accessories, aluminum profile, glass, aluminum machine, which required from customers. We aim to provide one-stop purchasing service for domestic and overseas customers. Chingu headquarters is located in FOSHAN. We are a German brand with a good reputation among our customers because of our design services, good quality products, and competitive prices. Our general manager engaged in international trade and industry experience for more than 15 years, traveled to 50-plus countries around the world, and we own a professional foreign trade sales team, management, and technical design team. We offer 24 hours online professional solution services, which makes us lots of good reputation from Africa, Mid-East, South America, Europe, Oceania, and Asian area, and over 50 countries. Moreover, we can provide OEM and ODM service, and we are looking for potential global agents. Welcome domestic and overseas partners to achieve win-win cooperation. And we insist on putting customer needs and development first, and wish our long-term relationship will be built up since our first connection. Chingu principle, positive energy, be sincere, dare to challenge, be helpful, be grateful. Chingu motto, where there is need, there is me. Chingu mission, fully support our customers and let entrepreneurs become the star benchmark of the industry.
Well